Hello, my name is Hunter Guerin, Product Manager at Xometry, and I want to introduce you to the new 2D technical drawing marketplace. This marketplace is an exciting opportunity for our customers and our manufacturing partners. Let's take a closer look at how it works.
To get started with a new quote request, you can choose Manufacturing Service from a simple drop-down. Next, you can give your new RFQ a title, specify desired lead time, and choose a date through which you are willing to accept quotes. Then, you upload documents, drawings, and dimension prints related to the request. Next, specify a process, add necessary certifications, and specify quote requirements such as quantity, material, and finish in the notes section. Once you submit your RFQ, it will be sent out to the Xometry suppliers who best match the job requirements. If a partner has a question during the quoting process, you can respond directly using the Marketplace communication tool. As quotes from our manufacturing partners roll in, you will be notified and can review your quotes from the RFQ summary page. If a quote looks good to you, click Accept and award the work to the partner who submitted it. And that's all it takes to send, receive, and award quotes for work through Xometry's new RFQ marketplace. Start issuing RFQs at scale at www.xometry.com.